Hello everyone, welcome to another tech video with 99 reviews. Today I am going to share how to use standby mode in iPhone iOS 17, so let's start the video. First, you have to open settings and check that your iPhone is updated to iOS 17 or not. If it is not updated, then update it first. My device is up to date. After that, you have to scroll down in the settings and tap on standby mode. Open it and turn it on, all these options turned on. Now you have to place your iPhone horizontally and then plug in the charger. And after a few seconds, standby mode turned on. In standby mode, you can see different clocks, a very fascinating notifications banner, and different visuals of apps. This looks really cool if you place it while charging, so by this way, you can easily set standby mode in your iPhone after iOS 17. That's it for this video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, 99 Reviews, and I will see you in the next one.